You can do smooth zoom in and outs in Capcut PC, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First we are going to select the video where you want to add and apply the zoom in and out effect. I'm gonna use this gaming clip as an example. Click, hold and drag around this cursor line right here to find the best starting position for your zoom. To be more precisely, you can zoom in into your timeline by pressing this plus icon right here. So this way it will be easier to catch the frame more precisely. Once you found the best position for starting your zoom, go to Video, Basic, and right here in the Transform section, on the right side click on this diamond icon until it's blue. This diamond icon also appears now inside of your video in the timeline. It represents the starting point of your zoom. Now again we are going to click, hold and drag this cursor line to find the next or last position for our zoom. You can now change the position, for example dragging these corners to zoom in. You can also use the scale slider right here under transform, and you can even change the position. The keyframe diamond icon will be set and saved automatically after each change. To zoom out, you can either copy the first keyframe and insert it on the right position, or you can just zoom it out, put it on 100% again and drag the video into the middle. You can see that the zoom in and out effect is already working perfectly. But to make it more smooth, just right click on this keyframe and select ease out. For the last keyframe, select ease in. This is giving our zoom an acceleration effect which looks more natural. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.